So for A and B, given A plus B is equal to 18, then AB is equal to 40. Here, A plus B is equal to 18. Let us label this equation 1. AB is equal to 40. Let us label this equation 2. From equation 1, A plus B is equal to 18. Let us make B the subject of the formula. B is equal to 18 minus A. Let us label this equation 3. From equation 2, AB is equal to 40. Let us substitute for B, which is 18 minus A. A bracket 18 minus A is equal to 40. Let us open the bracket with A. A multiplied by 18. That is 18A minus A multiplied by A. A square is equal to 40. Let us bring this 40 to the left hand side here. 18A minus A square minus 40 is equal to 0. Let us put this equation in standard form, starting from the power of A. We have minus A square plus 18A minus 40 is equal to 0. Now, let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Negative A square divided by negative 1, that will give A square. Positive 18A divided by negative 1, that will give negative 18A. And negative 40 divided by negative 1, that will give positive 40 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. And from this given equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 18, C is equal to 40. A is equal to minus bracket minus 18 plus or minus square root of minus 18 square minus 4 multiplied by A is 1 multiplied by C is 40 divided by 2 multiplied by A is 1. A is equal to minus times minus 18. That is plus 18 plus or minus 18 square. Square root of 324 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 40, 160 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 18 plus or minus square root of 324 minus 160. That will give 164 divided by 2. This can be written as 18 plus or minus square root of 164 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 41 divided by 2. A is equal to 18 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 root 41 divided by 2. This can be written as 18 divided by 2 plus or minus 2 divided by 2 root 41. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 9. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. A is equal to 9 plus or minus square root of 41. This is the value of A. Therefore, A1 is equal to 9 plus root 41, and A2 is equal to 9 minus square root of 41. We've gotten the value of A1 and A2. Let us solve for B1 and B2. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 18 minus A. Now B1 is equal to 18 minus A1 is 9 plus square root of 41, and B2 is equal to 18 minus A2 is 9 minus square root of 41. B1 is equal to 18 minus 9 minus square root of 41. B1 is equal to 18 minus 9. This is 9 minus square root of 41. This is the value of B1. B2 is equal to 18 minus 9 plus square root of 41. B2 is equal to 18 minus 9. This is 9 plus square root of 41. This is the value of B2. Our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 9 plus square root of 41, 9 minus square root of 41. A2, B2 is equal to 9 minus square root of 41, 9 plus square root of 41. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check the given equation, A plus B is equal to 18. AB is equal to 40. Let us consider this. A plus B can be written as 9 plus square root of 41 plus 9 minus square root of 41 must be equal to 18. This cancel this. 9 plus 9, this is 18, is equal to 18, which is true. Let us consider this. AB can be written as 9 plus square root of 41 multiplied by 9 minus square root of 41 must be equal to 40. This is 9 times 9. We have 81 minus 9 times root 41. We have 9 root 41 plus root 41 multiplied by 9. 9 square root of 41 minus root 41 multiplied by root 41. That will be 41. Must be equal to 40. This cancel this. 81 minus 41 must be equal to 40. Then 81 minus 41, this is 40, is equal to 40, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and comment. Bye.